for sale 1960 DeSoto Adventurer. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. 60 DeSoto Adventurer, finished in red and white with factory interior, 383 automatic, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. And as always, I'm going to go around it, we'll fire it up, and then we'll drive it. So we'll start here in the front. The car is just out of 20 years storage, and the gentleman spent 81 hours dialing it back in, getting it all ready to go, replacing a bunch of new parts that I have a little list on that I'll go over a little bit later. The chrome bumper in the front, other than a couple little marks, this is gorgeous. You see a couple little more marks right there. It's one repaint in red and white, and I gotta tell you, it really looks like it's been babied since it's been painted. Like, of course you're gonna get a couple marks in some spots, but like, really, really impressive. Nice fitment down there. Like, super nice looking, I mean. It's originally an Arizona car, so you know what that means. It is rock solid, top to bottom. Your trim, your grill, all that, all in really, really nice condition, just like the front bumper is. And a little design thing I like, the front end looks very muscle, like 60s muscle. It's different than, late 60s muscle. And the back of the car with the fins, oh my gosh, is this cool. Again, this is my first DeSoto, so I'm just excited. So let me pop the hood here. In addition, you're gonna love to hear it, it does not just only have factory AC, it has factory AC that works. So here we go, 383 AC, power steering. We believe it might be the original 383. We don't know for sure, but I see it's got Golden Lion 383 valve covers on it. I don't know. We're going to get down a little more into it as we go. But like, look at the cleanliness of all that, how tidy the hoses are. Like, you're very clean, not really messed with engine compartment, and that looks great. Really, really impressive. Another nice little attention to detail, the hood insulation, and like this guy, just little touches like that go a long way. So let me mention just a couple things. It was filters, gas, carburetor, of course, all the fluids, tune-up stuff, lights. Oh, all the lights work all the way around the car. That was all done. Brakes, of course, after sitting for 20 years, stuff like that. In and out, 81 hours. So that's a lot of hours, to be honest with you. Little chip right there. So let's keep going there. A little chip right there. It's been touched up. Another little touch up. The stainless in the middle all the way down, beautiful condition. You've got your big the white wall tires on there with your DES DeSoto hubcaps that look fantastic. The body is so straight. See, going there like a little blemish probably from the age of the paint. Glass all the way around, crack free. You see right there a couple chips on the lower door. Looks like a couple little tiny bubbles right there. My hands are getting cold. I love this car, man. Let's open her up here. VIN tag is in place, and the trim tag is in place, which is very cool to see. The seats that you see there, they look mint. No rips, not even really a lot of signs of wear. Your carpet's in very nice condition. It's not ripped. And as you see there, it's not even faded. Zoom out a little bit here. Factory dash gauges, push button automatic. Another cool thing. I love my push button. There's your AC vents. I think that's hilarious. Design from back then. You turn it where you want. That's cool. But the dash, the blue is nicely painted. Let me zoom back in a little bit. There. You see a little bit of patina there in the blue, but still really, really nice. So let's keep going. Your headliner with the working dome light. Very nice condition. Not ripped. Top of the car. Man, is this car cool. Zoom back in. Really nice. Let's open up the optional fourth door. You see it right there, probably, a little bit of patina in some of the spots on the trim from the age of the paint, but still very, there's not a drop of rust on the body. Back seat, same as the front. Same deal goes for the carpet. And your seat backs for the front seat with your ashtray, because your kids smoked back in the day, 1960, everybody was lighting up. I wouldn't know, I wasn't there. Back deck. Nice, unmolested, one speaker. Arizona State University sticker, that's been there for a long time, as well as the man from Phoenix. Again, it was an Arizona car, and you'll see the pictures. Let me grab the key. Pictures of the underneath on the ad. Pop that out. Oh, I tried to be cool. Get up on there. Oh, and another thing you see like the rivets, not the rivets, the little dents in the original metal, which is super cool to see there. You see that, right? Yeah. It's so cool. Your back bumper, just like the front, really in excellent condition. Like it's been re-chromed not too long ago, really. That's how it looks. Couple blemishes here in that corner. Your trunk fitment though, super nice all the way around. A lot colder today than it was yesterday. Okay, well, you have an extra hubcap. I had it on top of there, it got put back there. Spare. Jack, that guy, tire iron, the carpet mat. The worst part of the car, and it's not even bad. Give me a second here. Just a few in the all original metal, couple little pinholes that you see there in the original trunk pan, a little tiny patch. But is this car solid? There's one pinhole here. Look at that original metal. Your original quarters, very, very awesome example. Weather stripping looks like it was replaced recently as well. In the underhood, under trunk lid, which has this couple little, peeling on there, but that's probably been like that for years, and that is solid. Let me switch hands here, put the other hand in my pocket. I see here just on this lip, two little bubbles right there. Again, door fitment all the way around the car is all awesome. I know I didn't point it out on that side, but you see it there. Fender to the front door, all awesome condition. So let's carry on here again. Again, you see a little bit more like patina in some of those spots. see a couple little marks right there, and then a crack in the paint right there, and then a few little miscellaneous guys down there. It will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, let us know. 60 DeSoto Adventurer, 383. Oh, that's a pretty cool thing there. Factory power brake, floor pedal pad. You can kind of make that out. Let me zoom in. See that? That's cool. 383 automatic power steering, power brakes, factory AC, Arizona car. We are going to fire it up soon and then drive it. And yeah, just out of 20-year storage. I'm not focused. 20-year storage, and serviced all the way and dialed back in, and is ready for the road. So again, thank you for watching.